Charlotte Pipe's a US-based manufacturer. We've been around for 114 years. We're a privately held, family-owned company. We're in the 4th generation managing the company. 5th generation is in the plant working now. We produce drain, waste, and vent soil pipe and fittings. It's all gray iron for us. And then we started a commercial casting line as well that's grown continuously over the past, I'd say, 15 to 20 years.
Simpson's involvement in our big plant expansion back in the mid-90s was a phenomenal experience for a young engineer at the time, and we really appreciate all the help that they've given us and continue to give us today.
There's really not much that we can't make as far as gray iron castings are concerned.
It has been because of this molding line that we've been able to actually add this type of commercial casting to our portfolio.
We do have a 150 sand cooler. What it does, it takes the temperature out of our sand.
The multi-cooler is a great piece of gear and really integral to what we do here at Charlotte Pipe. For us, the sand comes in out of our process. Once it comes out of shakeout, we dump into the multi-cool roughly about 150, 160 degrees.
It comes out around 100, 110 degrees, and it does exactly what it says. It takes the temperature out of the sand.
The multi-cool is very efficient, does a great job. That really helps us get our sand prepared for when it goes into the 23G molar.
The molar does a great job as far as maintenance-wise, very little maintenance. I mean, we may have to rotate a wheel every now and again, change aerator pins, but all in all, it does a great job for us. It's a continuous throughput mower. It runs anywhere between 56 tons an hour to 113 tons an hour, and it does a great job. Fantastic.
That's kind of the heartbeat of the green sand foundry on the diesel side. Without that, we can't run. You look at the green sand system that we have in place. We talked about the sand cooler, the multi-muller. Really, the brains behind all that is the Hartley control system. The Hartley control system for us really takes a look at compactability, moisture, green strength, and really that's what drives everything that we're trying to do over on the diesel side and the 23G mower. I think if you took a step above that, we've invested time and money and effort into setting up a state-of-the-art sand lab right inside the foundry itself. We man that 24/7, and that's something that we use as a check on top of the Hartley to make sure that we're getting and delivering to the machine the sand specs and parameters that we want. We've leaned heavy on Simpson to go ahead and help us kind of guide that. That's something that we set up a couple years ago, and Simpson's been an integral part of, one, training our associates up who run the sand lab, and two, ensuring that we have the right equipment in the lab to make all the tests that we need.
The sand handling equipment and all of the prep sand equipment has worked wonderfully. Since this project was put in, we actually have put in 2 newer, faster diesels, and it is still performing today.
Simpson provides us a quarterly checkup on all 3 of our sand systems, the 3G, the 26G, the 23G. They come in every quarter and basically go over all aspects of all the controls and let us know where we stand with the performance it's doing.
We'd always been kind of a Simpson shop from the beginning, so for us it kind of made sense to go with Simpson again. We've been happy with the product that they put out, the service that they give us. They're always a phone call away, and they're willing to come down and give us support whenever we need it.